In this video, I'm going to show you how to use HekinAshi candles the right way and why you should use instead of the normal candlesticks. So this is how everyone uses it. They simply convert the chart into HekinAshi candlesticks, and when they see the candles change their color, they follow its direction. However, when they apply it in the real time, it turns out to be something like this. It is because no entry criteria is followed, plus we need to follow HekinAshi patterns. But before that, we need to know the reasons why HekinAshi bars are used. And there are three main reasons, and once you understand these three, the entry results will be much better. The first reason, HekinAshi candles are great at identifying the trend. Basically, HekinAshi bars are average bars. Hence, it becomes easier to spot a pause or a trend direction. Have a look at this chart. This is normal candlestick chart. You can see the price paused several times during this downward trend. But when we convert this same chart to HekinAshi candles, majority of these spikes and pauses disappear, hence giving us a clear picture of the trend. The next important reason is candlestick pattern. With traditional candlesticks, you have to understand close to 42 different patterns. Whereas with HekinAshi candlesticks, you mainly need to understand these three patterns. Thirdly, HekinAshi candles smooth out market noise. Have a look at traditional candles around these swing highs and then compare with HekinAshi bars. The transition from red to green is very smooth and clear, unlike traditional candlesticks. Now to HekinAshi patterns. There are mainly three patterns. The first one is indecision candles. These candles can be of any color, red or green, but it has a small body and long wicks on the both sides. The wicks are usually longer than the size of the body. The bullish candles should have a big body and a wick to the upside only. But if it has a wick to the bottom, it means there is a poor momentum in the price. Similarly, the bearish candles has a big body but only wick to the downside. So we do not use HekinAshi candles on its own based on bullish or bearish patterns. We use them as a confluence only and follow a criteria to qualify for a valid entry. Criteria number 1. We're not going to use HekinAshi bar for actual price and entry, as the HekinAshi bars are average bar, and by using them for entry, you will end up entering into a trade with a very poor risk to reward ratio. If I mark these two green and red candles, look what happens when I change the chart into HekinAshi. The size of both candles change, which is not the actual price. So what we're gonna do is put back the candles to normal and apply a free indicator to help us generate HekinAshi bars. The second criteria is high time frame should be in a downward trend. We are using a 30-minute chart and the price is in a downward trend. The price is making lower low and lower highs, but we cannot enter using a 30-minute chart only. Therefore, we have to confirm the long-term trend using a high time frame. And in our case, the higher time frame is 2 hours chart. But if you're using a 1 hour chart to entry, then your high time frame will be 4 hours. As you can see, the 2 hour time frame is in a downward trend. Therefore, we will only be looking to enter a short trade. The third criteria is that 11 EMA should be below the 28 EMA when looking for a short entry on a 30-minute chart. And the EMA should be set up on the high time frame. To set up EMAs, go to Indicators tab and add exponential moving averages twice. Then go to first EMA and change its setting to 11 and time frame to 2 hours. After that, go to the second EMA and change its length to 28 and time frame to 2 hours. Then go to the Styles tab and change the color to white for easy chart reading. For the trade entry on 30-minute chart, we need to wait for the price to come back to EMA range. And once it is near the EMAs, then we're gonna check the high time frame to confirm the trend directions. Since the trend is bearish, therefore we will only be looking for bearish HekinAshi bar. Right now we have this indecision bar. And now we can see there is a bearish HekinAshi bar, so we're gonna enter the short position here. Here is how to enter long. The price is trending on higher time frame, and on 30-minute chart it is hovering around EMAs, and we have to patiently wait for the bullish HekinAshi to be formed.